there is a new electrified flagship from BMW. BMW's most potent electric vehicle, the 2024 i7 M70 xDrive, will make its debut at the Shanghai Car Show. The two electric motors in the luxury sedan produce a combined 650 horsepower, making it more powerful than both the i40 M50, 536 horsepower, which BMW claims is the M division's global bestseller, and the 9M60, 610 horsepower. The M-tuned rear motor will produce 483 horsepower and surpass all other BMW electric motors in output. When utilizing launch control or the M Sport Boost feature, the M70 unleashes its full 811 pound-feet of torque. BMW claims the M70 is the world's quickest electric vehicle, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. In sport mode, drivers are limited to 155 miles per hour and 748 pound-feet of torque, both of which are ridiculously high. M adjusted the chassis, and the high-performance i7 rides on M-specific adaptive air suspension with electronically regulated dampers to maximize handling and performance. The body has been strengthened, and the huge sedan now features rear-wheel steering and active roll stabilization, so it should feel surprisingly nimble for its size. The standard color for the 4-piston fixed caliper front brakes and the single-piston floating caliper rear brakes is blue, although a black option is available. The M70 comes standard with specialized 21-inch wheels, but you can swap them out for standard 20 inches or even 20s with performance tires. BMW estimates that the 101.7 kilowatt-hour battery will be able to provide 295 miles of range, which is not too far off the range of the conventional i7. With the new max range mode, the M70's top speed is capped at 56 miles per hour, its output is throttled back, and the car's temperature control, heated seats, and heated steering wheel are turned off to save energy. To disable max range, press the accelerator all the way to the floor, select M Sport Boost with the left paddle shifter, or crank up the window defroster. BMW claims the i7 M70's battery can go from 10 to 80% charged in just 34 minutes thanks to the car's support for DC fast charging at up to 195 kilowatts.